Welcome to this demonstration in which we'll showcase how to use financial, payroll, and HR data within NetSuite. I'm logged in under a Director of Finance, a role that bridges the gap between financial health, payroll expenses, and headcount analysis. On my dashboard, Workforce KPIs provide visibility into financial metrics that reflect employee productivity and turnover. These metrics are fully drillable, configurable, and identify trends in hiring. I can see hiring growth, open job requisitions, and as Director of Finance, understand how this fits in with headcount planning and budgeting. ERP metrics identify critical areas for the board, as well as bookings, billing, revenue trends for any given period. We can share real-time workforce analytics across the organization on dashboards. With Suite Analytics, we can compare any data within NetSuite for visual representation. In this case, I'm comparing sales by region. NetSuite also offers full payroll capabilities. I'm able to look at specific payroll trends like salary, bonuses, and commissions alongside any other given metrics within a specific period of time. I can see this payroll run has been approved and posted to our financials. This provides trial balance and GL visibility and details of my expenses down to the employee. Employees also have access to payroll information like pay stubs, W-4 elections, taxes, and other withholdings. I can even access Alan's employee record and drill into his specific HR data. This allows me to see things like his job title, supervisor, location, and payroll and comp structure. NetSuite supports effective dating to make sure changes to employees for things like compensation and transfers and terminations are captured correctly, as well as in the right period. I can also see accrued PTO liability, in this case by department and for the most recent month. NetSuite automatically accrues PTO based on company policy, as well as employees' hourly rates. Also, I can see expense reports recorded and run through payroll for quick auditability and compare fluctuations in a given time period. Finally, Suite Analytics shows me employee payroll data, in this case comparing respective sales reps with their compensation structures, even benchmarking against bookings. I can quickly see variable versus base compensation, again, all driven by actual payroll costs calculated and recorded by NetSuite. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact your account manager to learn more.